Guess what I got? I got my first PR. Sexy Smooth Wax asked me if I could try out some of their waxes, and that's what it is. I got too excited, so I already opened it. But they sent me 2 bags of their Cherry Desire hard wax, and I am so excited. So we're going to try it out in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is a rosin-free wax, and it's crafted with innovative hydrocarbon resins. Say that the wax has a very gentle tear as well. Also great for sensitive skin. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, and its optimal melt temperature is around 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go try it. Okay, so unfortunately the only thing I have that can be waxed is my arm. So that's what we're gonna do. Currently, we'll see how good the pull really is. And I'm gonna be very honest, okay? Okay, first things first, the color is beautiful. And the smell, I like fragrance-free wax, but the smell on this is pretty good. It's a little hot because, again, I'm impatient. So we're gonna wait a second, hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's sparkly, stop. It smells like those chapsticks that we used to have as kids. I say we, but ooh, she's smooth. Plenty of time to work with too, which I love. Okay. Okay. She's smooth. Not dry though. Dry time's not bad. Okay. Stop it right now. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. The grip. The grip is amazing, okay? Woo. Okay. Go off, sexy smooth. We're gonna do that one. Hold on. Gosh, why am I such an impatient person? I turned it down to the correct temperature, but I already turned it like all the way up so that it would melt faster. Hold on. So beautiful. The sparkles. I love the sparkles. And I really, really, really like how easy it is to work with. I currently use Bush Balm right now, but like, I like this, okay? And I had good expectations. And dry time is good. I had good expectations, but I've only used I used Bush Balm and Black Coral, so stop. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay, don't mind the fact that I need to exfoliate. But like, I can't see it. Doesn't show it good enough. The grip is gripping. The grip is gripping. Woo! Okay. This just made me 1,000 times more excited. And like, the pulls, they don't hurt. They are very gentle. Like, I feel like I could definitely use this for my Brazilian clients. We're getting to a little bit better of a texture. Again, so sorry about my impatientness. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, I'm so happy that this worked out because I was a little nervous just because it was like the first thing people sent me. And I'm like, okay, well, I have to be honest, you know, I can't lie about it just because I got it for free. But like, I actually really like it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is a wax that I could just play with all day. Not even going to lie. And it literally smells like cherry cola chapstick. And it's so easy to work with. I love, 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 love. Oh, girl. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy right now. Gosh, I knew exfoliate. This is your sign. Exfoliate. So you don't look, your strips don't look like mine, okay? Okay, we're gonna do one more because I'm just that excited about this. This is what I like to see. I'm very, very excited about it. I can't get over the smell. It smells so good. And like I said, I try to avoid smelly waxes, but like this one's not overpowering. It's very, it's a very gentle smell. I love it. I feel like this is really good for beginners too, because like I said, it's very easy to work with and you have a pretty decent amount of time before the dry down, which is good, especially when you're starting out. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. Yep. So I highly recommend